This is the Timex T128. Now this clock is loaded with features. It has dual alarms for 2 separate wake times, 24-hour set and forget alarm with auto repeat and auto shut off. It has a USB charging port for all your mobile devices. It has a loud and soft alarm setting. It has a programmable snooze with repeat alarms. It has a nap function. And I like the large LED time display, and what I really like is the trick part about this clock, trick as in really good, is look at the lighting. You can set it to 3 stages, 4. Awesome. This clock is really neat. Easy to read buttons on the top.